Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem and sell your gift cards instantly using the carding app. This method is fast, simple, and works directly from your phone. First, go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for Carding Sell Gift Cards. Download and install the app. Open the app and sign up using your email address or phone number. Make sure you verify your account to avoid issues later. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where all available gift card options are listed. Tap on Sell Gift Card and choose the type of gift card you have, like Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Steam, or others. Enter the gift card code or upload clear images of the card as required. Make sure the code is correct and unused. Submit the card and wait for confirmation. Processing usually takes a few minutes depending on the card type. Once approved, your wallet will be credited instantly. You can withdraw to your bank account directly from the app. Important tips: submit clear card details, use valid cards only, and double-check your information to avoid delays. That's how you redeem and sell gift cards on the carding app. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.